for today is
It
about
is
conic
unbearable
circle.
when
So
an event
let's start
happens.
first.
What is conic circle? Conic sections are the shapes created through a plane intersecting a double knobbed cone. That is a cone with two pointed ends that stretch infinitely in each direction. The way that the plane cuts into the cone determines one of the four possible types of conic sections we have: circles, ellipses, parabolas, and hyperbolas. Of these, the circle is the most symmetrical as well as obvious. A circle forms whenever of the plane of the cut perpendicular to the axis of the cone, the line running through the middle of it. This perfect 90 degrees cut makes the shape one such everywhere point at the edge of the circle remains equally far away from its center. It is this equal distance that is called the radius, which gives the circle its unique symmetry. Why circles are useful? Circles are everywhere in real life, from wheels to clocks to design. In physics, circles help us to understand circular motion, like planets orbiting around the sun. In technology, circles are used to design gears and other mechanical parts. The round shape of a circle makes it perfect for objects that need to roll or spin smoothly. Properties of a circle. Center. The fixed point from which all points on circle are equidistant. Radius. The distance from the center up to any point on the circle. Radius defines the size of the circle. Diameter. The longest distance across the circle passing through the center is equal to twice the radius. Circumference, the distance around the circle calculated with the formula where is the radius. Area, the space inside the circle calculated by the formula that is area. These properties make circles some simple to understand yet essential in defining rotational symmetry. Symmetry where the shape looks the same from any angle. This is the equation of a circle. So, let's start with the example. Ang example, panibago. So, x squared plus y squared minus 3x plus 6y minus 9 equals 0. So, mangyayari niyan, um, convert muna natin siya. Convert muna natin siya. Ano, x squared minus 3x tapos yung y squared plus 6y equal natin siya ng 9 tapos ano complete naman natin yung square. So mangyayari niyan yung for 3x ay for x mangyayari niyan ano i-add natin yung kumbaga ano magiging 3 over 2 siya, 3 over 2 yung x tapos yung y magiging ano 6 over 2 yung y magiging 6 over 2 tapos ang equal ng negative natin yan. Negative 3 over 2 sa positive 6 over 2 ay ano sa umpisa natin sa x magiging 9 over 4 Tapos yung dito naman, yung 6/2, magiging 9 siya. 9. Tapos i-add natin siya sa both side. I-add natin siya sa both side. So, x squared minus 3x plus 9/4 plus lagyan natin ng parenthesis, tapos plus y squared plus 6y plus 9, ganyan na natin, tapos equal, lakasan muna natin yung sum. Natin dito is 9 plus 9/4 plus 9. Kaya naman natin siya nakuha na 9 kasi 'di ba? Yung kukuha ita times natin tong dalawa. Yung x squared minus 3. Multiply natin. So, yung x squared yan magiging 3 yan. Times 3 ulit natin. So, mag-equal siya ng 9. Tapos, kukuhanin natin to 9/4. Ito na yung 9, tsaka ito yung 9/4. Tapos, kaya naman natin ito nakuha 9 kasi kinuha din natin to dito. Kaya nga yung both side lang, diba? Both side lang kinuha natin. Ito na siya. Tapos, i-relate naman natin yung bilang ng squares. Kumbaga, diba yan, ganyan. Diba ganyan, ganyan siya. Alam ba equal nun? X minus 3. Tapos, 3/2. 3/2. Tapos, ito yung 4x. Tapos yung 4y naman siya is plus siya. Plusin siya. Tapos 3 squared. Squared na. Lagyan natin yung squared. Yan. Kaya naman natin nakuha yung yung 3/2 kasi 'di ba 9/4. 'Di ba 9/4? Anong equal ng 9/4? 'Di ba nag-equal siya ng 3/2? Tapos yung 9 naman, square root siya ng 9. Ang square root naman ng 9 is equal siya ng 3. So doon natin nakuha yung y ng 3 tsaka yung x ng ang 3/2. So isi-simplify naman natin siya. Simplify natin yung sagot natin dito. So ang mangyayari niyan na x minus 3/2 plus, lagyan natin ng squared lagyan natin ng squared. Tapos plus y plus 3 squared equal 45/4. Kasi kung kakalculator natin siya, yan ang lalabas sa sagot, 45/4. Kasi 'di ba yan, ito, tingnan niyo yung sagot, 'di ba? Natin x nasaan na yun? Ito x minus 3/2. So ganyan, 3/2 ba't up and 2, tapos squared, lagyan natin siya ng squared. Saan yun? Yan, squared. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis dito, kalimutan natin lagyan. Yan. Tapos mangyayari yan pa-plus na, lagyan copy natin to, yan, plus y
Ano ka sumabalik, Gel?
na tayo ulit na wala dito. So y, kuhanin natin yung y. Yung y is nasan ba? Saan yung y? Ito, yan, y. Isang alpha, tas y. Yan. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung plus 3 squared. Natin na squared. Yan. Tapos, equal, ayun 45/4. So, yan yung lumabas. So, pagkakuha natin ng 45 over 4, ang mangyayari niyan, yan yung final answer. Kasi 'di ba na-simplify na natin. Yan yung final answer niya. Ito yung final answer niya. X minus 3 squared, negative pala siya, tapos squared, plus y plus 3 squared, equal siya ng, yung equal kanina sa calculator, yan, over 4. Pagka ganyan niya, yung circle properties, ano ba yung circle properties? Yan yung kanina, yung sinolve natin, halos nalagpasan na natin kanina yan. Yung center niya, ito siya, sana yan, yung over 3 tsaka negative, ito yun, itong dalawa, ito. Bali magiging positive siya pag binaba na natin siya, dahil ito siya, di ba? Pag binababa na natin yung sagot, nagiging positive, nag-iiba yung sign nilang dalawa, so magiging positive 3 over 2, 3 yan, 3 yan. Tapos ay mali, pala, yan, ganyan, quit lang yan, hindi yan parenthesis, quit lang. So tapos ito namang positive 3, magiging negative 3 siya pag binaba natin siya. Yan ang sagot. Tapos yung radius niya, kukuhanin natin siya, radius, wait lang, ito, r equal, so yan, ganyan. So alin ba yung niya, 45, di ba? Ito, kinuha natin siya, kinuha natin yan, 45. So 45 over 4, nag-equal yan ng, kasi magiging 2 yan magiging 2 yan guys, yan 2. Tapos pag natin siya, pag pinercent, pag ginawa natin siyang, pag nilagyan natin siya ng decimal, natin siya, magiging 22.5 siya. Kasi yan din yung lumalabas sa calculator na sagot, yan. Kasi pag 'di ba 45, yan 45, ito natin 45 over 2, pindutin natin to, ito may sagot, tingnan may sagot, pindutin natin to, 22 over 5, ay 22.5. so yun lang po. Ang mangyayari nito, gagawa pa tayo ng isa pang example. So x squared plus y squared minus 9 x plus 12y minus 15 equals 0. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagay natin muna sila dito, bababa natin yan. So, x squared minus 9x plus y squared plus 12y equal siya ng 15 yung equal niya. Tapos i-complete naman natin yung square. So mangyayari niyan, para sa x squared, tapos ito para sa y squared, so equal niyan, mangyayari niyan 81 to, 81 over 4. Tapos ito naman 36, kasi di ba complete nga natin yung square. So pag kinomplete natin yung square, di ba 9 times yung mangyayari niyan, kinuha natin yung x squared kasi di ba 91. Tapos itong na yan, magiging 4 yan kasi dalawa nga dalawa yung x squared niya. Nagiging 4, 2 times 2, 4. Tapos 36 na yan, kinuha natin yan dito sa 12, yung squared ng 12. Tapos ito naman yung tapos yung squared ng 9 kasi kinomplete nga natin yung square. Tapos i-add naman natin yung katulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa example ng number 1, yung unang example pa natin, i-add natin sila sa both side. So x squared minus 9x plus 81 over 4, tapos plus y squared plus 12y plus 36 equal siya ng ulit equal niya 15, di ba? 15 tapos plus 81 over 4, tapos plus siya ng 36, yan. isi-simplify naman natin yan. So, pagka-simplify natin, di ba, x, tapos equal siya ng 9/2, equal ba negative? Basta, ano na, ay negative pala, negative. Tapos, squared plus y plus 6 squared. Tapos, equal siya ng 60/4. Yan. Huwag nyo napansin yung sulat ko. So, ano yan? 81. Ano, equal siya, diba? Equal siya, 60. Ay, plus pala yan, plus. Plus 81/4 plus 144 plus, ay, over 4. Yung 144, nakuha naman natin yan dito kasi pinag-plus natin yan eh. Tapos, ano, kuhanin naman natin yung standard form. So, mangyayari nyan, ay, ito na, mangyayari nyan, ito na yung standard form. Pero, ang bala dyan, ito yung pagpaplasin natin. Ito yung mga nasa labas. Para makuha natin yung standard form nya. Ito yung pagpaplasin natin yung nasa labas. Ito, yan. Yung, para makuha natin siya. So, x minus 9/2 squared plus y plus 6 squared equal siya ng, kasi di ba 60 plus 81, 60 plus 81, 1 na agad yan eh, 1 na agad yan. Tapos ito 13, 131 plus 144, yan, 5, 7, 2, 275 plus 15. Para mas madali, calculator na natin yan. So, 60 plus 81 plus, ba't madami yan? Plus 144 equal nya is 285. Diba? Malitong calculation natin. Buti na dyan si Calcu. Huwag niya naman pansinin yung sulat ko, magulo. 285. Tapos, kukuhanin natin itong 4. Yung 4 na yan. Baba na natin. Yan. Tapos, yung final answer, makuha na natin. Ito na yung final answer niya. Bali, yung center niya, yung sagot, yung kanina. Yung, kaso, ang mangyayari niyan, di ba sinabi ko nung unang example, pag binababa natin siya, pag kinukuha natin siya bilang final answer, nagiging iba yung sign niya. Kunyari, ito, di ba? Ito, di ba, negative to. Magiging positive siya pag binaba natin siya. Which is, ay ni, sagot. Diba? So, magiging positive 9/2. Tapos, para makuha natin yung isa pang sagot, kaganina, ganito din. Diba, positive naman to. Magiging negative 6 naman siya. So, yan. Yan yung center niya. So, yun yung radius niya. Yung radius naman niya is, squared naman. Square root. Square root ng 285. Tapos, ng 4. Kinuha lang natin to. Ito, kinuha lang natin yan. Tapos, kung kinuha natin yan, equal nya. Yung equal nya, yung equal ng 285/4. Kasi pag in-square root natin siya, pag in-square root natin yung 285 over 4, yan yung lumalabas. Tingnan nyo guys, 285/2. So, mangyayari nga pag ganyan, 285/2. Yan yung sagot niya. Itong dalawa. Yun yung sagot. Salamat guys. Sana may maintindihan kayo. Kahit pa paano. Huwag nyo napansinin yung sulat ko. The equation of a circle. In analytic geometry, the standard form of a circle equation on the coordinate plane is the center of the circle. Is the radius. This equation encapsulates the fundamental property of a circle. Every point on the circle is exactly the same distance from the center. Understanding this equation helps us graph circles accurately and recognize their position and size within a coordinate system. Why circle matter behind geometry? Circle are just abstract mathematical abstraction. They play a very important role in many areas of science and engineering. Number 1.
Engineering and design, circle is a crucial element in the design of rotating parts such as gears and wheels. Absolute symmetry is alone what provides the potential for a smooth motion and is thus terribly important for everything from car wheels to part for machines. Example: rotating circles in mechanical engineering. Circles are crucial manufacturing of parts for which rotational or spinning actions are necessary. A good example of the circular gears, which most cars, clocks, and other machines needs. Gears help transmit motion from one part of a machine to another so it could function. The engineers have to measure accurately the distance between the center of two circular gears to be fitting with each other. Such distance is no more than the two radii adding up half the width of each. For example, if one gear has a radius of 3 cm and the other radius of 2 cm, the distance between the center of both gears should be 3 cm plus 2 cm equals 5 cm. This is how grid can rotate without any hindrance and work in unison with others suitably. This is nature circle helps. Why circles matter beyond geometry? Number 2. Physics and astronomy. Circular motion is a foundational concept in physics, used to describe everything from planetary orbits to the motion of electrons. The principle of rotational symmetry and balance seen in circles help explain the forces that govern the natural world. Why circles matter beyond geometry? Number 3. Architectural and artistic uses of circles. Circles should be used to design architectural shapes which happen to be symmetrical and aesthetically well balanced. Whether it is a round window or a huge dome, it represents unity, eternity, and harmony. When it comes to art, it forms the basis of philosophical theories of other bigger design ideologies. Number 4. Technology. The geometry of a circle is the very foundation for many different technological designs, from the lens of a camera to the satellites in the space. Their geometry makes them very effective and efficient, taking leverage on the ease of rotational symmetry. Example: architectural circle works of architectures do not only look beautiful but also the most strong designs by the use of the circles. For example, a dome that might resemble the Pantheon, this is always circular and has been used in spreading out evenly weight. This makes the building stable and allows for the larger open spaces inside. Number 4. Circles in technology. They're using circles in technology with gears, for instance, or even smartwatch screen. Screens of smartwatches are usually circular because it will look pretty and nice to use. Gears in machine are also circular so that they can turn without friction and transfer power smoothly. Circles help devices perform well and look good. So this is the effect of the circle in our real life or our lives in the real world. Now you know that the circle has so many benefits in our lives. So what can you say now? Now, let's start with the conclusion. Conclusion. Circles are the backbone of geometry and conic sections because they facilitate study or discovery of other curves like an ellipse or a parabola. A circle has a definite radius from a center point since symmetric circles are apt to be studied. That's why circles are found in many fields. They meet themselves in gears, wheels, bearings, creating a smooth motion and homogeneous distribution of weight. In engineering applications, science circling motion is what keeps objects and planets moves in orbits. These circles have various meanings related to arts and design, while representing balance and harmony. Comprehension of circles provides enlightenment and concerning complex shapes and real world applications across disciplines. So now, what can you say about the circles that help us to have a better understanding about the circle? Again, I'm Tristan Verdadero from section STEM 11 Y123. I hope you learned something to my discussion. Thank you everyone.